Welcome back from the break, guys. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and just in case you're just tuning in, we're in the sunshine city of Portmore. Now we're going to head on over to National Wholesale in Mape and Clarendon for our food feature. It's all about the Brunswick promotion.
Remember, it's all about the Brunswick promotion, alright? Feel free to come over and get a sample. The Brunswick product. We have Brunswick sardine, we have Brunswick mackerel. Remember, buy any 10 case of Brunswick product by your choice. Brunswick mackerel or Brunswick sardine. You receive a free case.
So you're sampling the Brunswick sardine, how it is?
It tastes nice. Wonderful.
Nice.
It tastes nice?
Yeah.
So you like Brunswick mackerel?
Yeah.
It tastes good.
You always buy Brunswick?
Yeah.
Which of the preferred? Brunswick mackerel or the Brunswick sardine?
The sardine.
Why you buy Brunswick sardine?
I just like Brunswick sardine.
What do you prepare it with normally?
I prepare it sometimes with onion, garlic, and little scallion, and little mayonnaise sometimes.
I am not Jamaican, I'm from Dominica, and that's the only sardine I knew over there. And it tasted really great, so I just stick to what I know.
What do you normally prepare your Brunswick sardine with?
I like sardine with Jamaican water crackers, or sometimes with rice, seasoned rice for the kids, they love that.
I see you have Brunswick sardine in your trolley. Why?
Well, me eat with everything. I just like it, and eat with bread. Anything feel like to eat it with. Just nice and just delicious.
Promotion here today at National Wholesale. What is it all about?
Well, it's about sampling our new tall tin mackerel. Actually, it's some sardine in a tall can. We're doing sampling outside. We're giving away phone cards. We're giving away Kraft macaroni and cheese, and also Eve hot pepper sauce.
How has the promotion been going though?
It's going excellent. We're seeing a lot of offtake off the shelf, and a lot of people have been sampling the product outside and been enjoying it.
The tall tin sardine and mackerel, how recent additions are they to the line?
They've been around for about a year now. So we're trying to get people to enjoy, because most people get it confused thinking that it's actually mackerel, but we want to show them that it's actually sardine in a tin. We also have tuna with corn. That one is very affordable. You know, people normally use corn with their tuna. Now we're giving it them in one can. So it's ready to eat, pull the cap, and just throw it out.
To our third and final commercial break, but when we get back, it's all about keeping fit, our Caribbean music video of the week, and we're gonna roll out the top 10 charts. We'll be right back.